Get my money, eat it up like some kicks. All I'm trying to do is get my bread, like I said, green in my pockets, man. You can call me Fred Flintstone, man. I'm getting all the bone. Bitches suck me on my dick every time I come home. Food in my refrigerator. No, I'm not a fucking hater. All I'm doing is trying to fuck that bitch until you see it later. See, I'm all about my papers now. Later, fucking gators on my feet. Yo, I'm fresher than the motherfucker. You cannot see me. Sexy man, I am a beast. Coming from the SPC. Man, you cannot fuck with my crew or my fucking team. We be strapped up. Nines in the motherfucking clip. We don't give a fuck. Shoot it the
Motherfucking
gun
DJ.
off of your hip. We don't even sell drugs. All we do is kill thugs. Y'all niggas ain't nothing cause y'all see a shell slugs. I don't give I don't give a fuck, man. On my fucking grind, man. You could pick me up, man. No, I got the fucking strap. No, I got the fucking brain. I got all the pills, dog. You can call for anything. I got selling weight, and I move across the state, and I get all the bitches, man, cause they give me cake. I don't even give them shake. All I smoke is that big loud pack. I don't give a fuck. You can buy that. Yo, niggas on my dick, cause I always fuck their bitch, but their bitches always calling me. Like Twitter, follow me. Sexy Matt on this grind, you can always get at me. Bitches on my dick, and I don't even be saying things.